Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain how to downgrade your plan. Just as of now, if you decided, if you want to pause and build, okay, there is an option, switch to pause and build, keep building your store, doesn't include checkout. So checkout will not be there, but otherwise you can build it, okay. It's like how you did it on the new store, the same way you can do it, but we need to pay some amount on monthly. So that's the plan, switch to pause and build. So if you want to change this plan, right, what you need to do is, I'm going to explain how to do it in mobile or desktop, okay, both I'm going to explain. First I will explain through mobile, okay. So once you're logged in, right, you can read this hamburger menu. So tap this hamburger menu and then go to settings. You need to click on settings, okay, click on settings. So under settings, right, come to plan, click on that and then tap cancel plan. Don't worry, it will not be cancelled immediately. So here you can see this option, switch to pause and build. So you need to tap it. You need to click this checkbox. Okay, switch plans means you will lose access to some functionality, including these key features which could affect your business. So you can give it, got it. That's it, friends. Now you can put it on hold. Okay, now you can give confirm, plan change scheduled. Your plan is scheduled to switch from basic to pause and build on 26th October. So now I'm going to explain in the desktop version. In desktop versions, right, once you've logged in, you need to go to the settings, bottom left corner, and then go to plan. Click on this plan and then click on cancel plan. So now you can choose switch to pause and build. Okay, so now you can switch pause and build. So you need to give got it and then give confirm. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can change pause and build on your plan. That's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. If you have any doubt, just post it. Thank you. Bye.